Hi, it's Barb from barbarajaness.com. I love cooking when I have the time. To me, cooking is a stress reliever. When I am looking for a recipe, I look for simple. Do you love to collect recipes and put your own twist on them? Do you go straight to the recipe section of the magazines while in the store line waiting to check out? How many times have you seen a picture of a great looking chicken dish, but when reading the ingredients, you see some stuff in there that you are just not a fan of? Today I was looking to find a quick recipe to feed my husband and 3 teens, ages 14, 15, and 18. Looking to see what I had in the house, I came up with some chicken thighs, spinach, and fettuccine. This is what I did next. I opened up my computer, went to Google, and searched recipes with chicken and spinach. I came across a recipe with a yummy looking picture. Looking at the recipe, I noticed lemon was one of the ingredients. I am not a fan of lemon, not in my cooking. So what did I do? I went to the kitchen and started cooking. Using a skillet with olive oil, I browned up the chicken thighs and started throwing in seasonings, including garlic. I included my spinach, cherry tomatoes, and chicken broth. While that was cooking, I got water boiling for the fettuccine. Be creative when cooking. Cooking should be fun. I guess the recipe was okay. There were no leftovers. That's it for now. Go out and create your own recipe. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. And also, please subscribe to my channel.